Hello and welcome. Quick tutorial. We have the Canon Elura DV camera. It's a vintage camera, albeit very nice camera still. Now here's an issue that somebody recently contacted me about. How do you change the battery, the internal clock battery? So let me show you what that means. So when you open up the camera and let's turn it on. Okay, now let's take a good look here. See, it says set the time and date. Okay, and as you can see here, you see the flashing red symbols. Now what that means is that the battery inside the camera that keeps the clock going is out. Obviously this means there's no tape. I don't have a DV tape in there. But what do you do when you have this flashing battery? That means the battery is dead. Well, where exactly is the battery? So sometimes it's not very easy to find. So where is it? So here we go. The battery is right down here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually shut this off before I put the battery in. Let's turn it off. You want to turn it off before you put the battery in, and then we're going to get in that compartment. So here's the little compartment. Take a look right there. Let's pull it out, and voila, there's the battery waiting to be changed. Now what kind of battery is this? This is a CR1616. Now let's take it out and have a look at it. So this one's dead. It's no longer working. So let's take it out. Okay, and it tells you right there, CR1616. So this is the old one. It's actually a Toshiba CR16. They tell you should use the same brand, but for this demonstration I'm actually just going to use an Energizer, brand new Energizer 1616 battery, and then we're going to put it in just the same way. So I already got it open. So here we are. We're going to put it in the same way we got it out, same way, like that. Okay, now we're just going to put it back into the compartment. Okay, now let's turn on the camera and see if the issue is gone. Okay, so now you notice that the blinking is done. Now you can set your time and date, and then you're ready to go, and then all you need now is a tape to go in there, and that's how you change the battery on the Canon Elura 70. It's still a great camera. Let me know if this was helpful to you. Give me a comment, give me a thumbs up, help me out, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye-bye.